Hey guys, welcome back to the video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Discord phone number verification in 2026. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, open your account settings and then go over to phone number and then click on add. Then what you need to do is open your Google Chrome and then get over to this website. Make sure you enter the same as this. Once you're here, you'll be navigated to this web page, and then here just select any number you want and then click on receive SMS. Now copy the number and paste it here. Then click on send. You will get the code on the same website. Just go back to the website, you'll get the code, just enter the code, and then it will be bypass your verification step completely. So yeah, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.